one of the largest lots, 1.24 acres, located on a corner lot in desirable Ballenger Woods, you are sure to be impressed. The Grand Chelmsford model built by Chuisano Builders is 4,240 square feet of living space and approximately 1,800 square feet in the finished basement. This is a great floor plan consisting of an office, living and dining room. Off the living room is an additional sunroom, 15'8 by 13 feet 8 inches. The gourmet cast stainless steel appliances including an exhaust fan which vents to the outside, 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, and a huge L-shaped center island. There is also a breakfast nook and an addl sunroom located off the breakfast nook. There are hardwood floors throughout along with ceiling fans and custom window treatments. The family room overlooks the attic which has a fireplace and built-ins on each side. The dual staircase leads upstairs to a huge master bed with a sitting room, 13'8 by 12 feet 10 inches, a 3-sided gas peninsula fireplace, and 2 large his and her walk-in closets. The master bath has a large jacuzzi soaking tub, double sinks, and a separate shower. The other 3 beds are all generous in size with plenty of closets. There is also a shared full bath in the hallway. The full finished basement is an added bonus. This is a perfect setup for an in-law quarter or if you have extended family. There is a bedroom, full bath with a steam shower, kitchen setup, workout area and media room. There is also a separate basement entrance which leads into the backyard for added privacy. Are you ready to be wowed by the exterior features of this home? Thereare lovely mature trees and lush landscaping with a well, for irrigation only, along with a gorgeous 42-foot-long quartz-coated Gunite saltwater pool which is 8 feet at the deep end, cascading waterfall, deck jets and a gas heater. There is plenty of space to entertain with a large deck off of the back of the home, outdoor shower, a huge garden storage shed, 12 by 24, and an adjoining smaller shed in addition to being completely fenced in. There is also a 3-car side entry garage, a small sand pit in the backyard and a swing set. The solar is owned not a lease. Great location which backs to the bike path, close to shopping, the nature reserve and fine dining.